Now it's better, but early today, we just had rounds of rain come in from the Gulf, and we still have a couple of rounds. You can see Sky Tower behind me. We'll show you that in a sec. First, looking live on the Anna Maria City Pier. Cam, there's some rain that is just to the south of Anna Maria, and the camera's kind of pointing in that direction. There are other showers now that have gone through Northport and Venice and up towards Pasco, but everything is moving along. Nothing is lingering, and there's no training. Last night we would call that training, where the rain develops kind of like in the same line and doesn't stop. In this case, because of the rain motion, it's raining and then it kind of stops quickly, so that's good news. Sarasota, looking downtown, 85 degrees, and then on the Bay Shore, looking downtown, still lots of low clouds. We're still close enough to Debby to have an overcast. There may be some breaks in the overcast tonight, and perhaps we'll squeeze in a decent sunset. Doesn't look like much of a sunset on that view, does it? Clearwater Beach Cam with a couple showers around the beach right now. The camera's all dirty, still a lot of blowing sand and salt spray, even way up there on the Clearwater Hilton Beach Cam. So we're gonna have to get the little squeegee out and clean that camera up. This is live up in Georgetown, South Carolina, which will feel the impacts from Debby in a couple of days. This is kind of in between Myrtle Beach and Charleston, and Georgetown kind of has special memories to me because I spent Hurricane Hugo that hit the Carolinas back in the late 80s in Myrtle Beach in Georgetown. They had huge damage from that big hurricane that kind of swung through the Caribbean and hit them hard. Back home we go. Showers racing in from the Gulf of Mexico, and you can see there are big breaks in between the showers, but if it rains at your house, don't despair, because it's not going to last very long, because the motion is moving more northwest to southeast, so it's not training in the same spot. There's some rain going by Bradenton. Rain went by Venice and Northport. A couple showers by Wauchula. And then Highlands County, which missed a lot of the heavy rain, has some sprinkles now. Lakeland along I-4, showers up by Holiday. Newport, Richie, Clearwater Beach. We showed you the rain on our Clearwater Beach cam. Kissimmee, downtown Orlando, and if you watch me in our northern counties, where, by the way, there will still be some high water and some minor coastal flooding. Up in Citrus, portion of Hernando counties, they're closer to Debby, and they may see some minor coastal flooding between now and tomorrow evening. View from space, still got a big band here. The center is moving into Georgia. We'll eventually kind of get back into, I think we'll see some sunshine tomorrow. And I don't think we're going to see much in the way of rain, because we'll have primarily a west and southwest wind for a couple of days. You know what that does? That alleviates the sea breeze boundary collisions on our west coast. And we usually complain about a west-southwest wind because it keeps us mainly dry. And that's going to be the outlook for most of this week. This is Tropical Storm Debby. It'll get out back over the Atlantic and then do a little hook, we think, and then go back up towards Myrtle Beach and Wilmington, and along its way produce 1 to 2 feet of rain. So the story from Debby is not done yet. It's got a ways to go. Look at this potential rainfall next 7 days. Also in the tropics, a very fast-moving wave has moved into the Caribbean Sea. It's going to run quickly to the west-northwest and maybe get into the southwestern Gulf, where there may be some development in about 5 to 7 days. Last 18 hours with winds off the Gulf and rain, temps don't move much. Low to mid 80s. Right now, we've got low 90s in Miami, mid 80s around Tampa Bay. Some wind gusts include a 32 in St. Pete, a 28 in Tampa, a 38 up in Jacksonville, a 36 up in Gainesville. Will stay breezy to windy from time to time into Wednesday. Looking ahead, above normal temps and near average rainfall next 8 to 14 days. That's a nice break. Tonight, passing tropical showers and breezy. We're down near 80. Then for tomorrow, variably cloudy. I think we'll see some sun. Windy at times and some passing tropical showers, though most, if not all, of your Tuesday is going to be dry. That's a good break. And the same thing on Wednesday, mainly dry, variably cloudy, some passing showers near 90. I think below average rainfall next couple of days. High temperatures, low 90s. Nighttime lows near 80.